Hi friends, today I am going to talk to you about penile implants and penile prosthesis surgery. I am Dr. Vijayan Govinda Gupta. I am a trained urologist in New Delhi, India with additional training in urological prosthetic surgery and certification in penile implants from Boston Scientific, USA. And apart from this, I have received my training in penile implants from the National University Health Systems of Seoul, South Korea. I am currently certified in performing the AMS 700 and the AMS Ambicor penile implants for patients suffering from erectile dysfunction in New Delhi, India and abroad. I have made this into a series of videos about penile implants where I will go into the nitty-gritties of the implant, the entire implantation procedure, and if you wish to plan your implantation in India, the questions and answers regarding that. So in this video, we are going to talk about the two most common penile implant surgeries that I do, the AMS 700 and the AMS Ambicor. So now this is the AMS Ambicor or the AMS two-piece implant system. I have made a separate set of video going into the details of this, and also a separate set of video going into details of the three-piece. On the face of it, the AMS Ambicor is a two-piece implant, which two-piece means that it has two cylinders, which is one piece, and it has a pump or a reservoir. Now in the AMS Ambicor, the pump or the reservoir is basically into the rear tip. So this implant only has girth enhancement, but it has no length enhancement. It basically, when the erection is desired, by pumping on the mechanism, the water is filled or pumped into the cylinders, which enlarge. But because it's a two-piece implant and the reservoir capacity in the rear tips is not that much, so the hardness or the girth enhancement is not as much as compared to the gold standard, the AMS 700. But this has certain advantages. The most being the ease of surgery, no need to place the reservoir in the pre-peritoneal space or in ectopic locations, and it is especially useful for men who have had previous abdominal surgeries or have a scarred pelvis. Apart from that, the cost factor is also definitely one of the major advantages of the Ambicor. On the other hand, the gold standard penile implant today is the three-piece AMS 700, which comes in many variants like the LGX, which has length enhancement as well as the girth enhancement, and the regular CX and the CXR, which are basically the conventional three-piece with only girth enhancement and no length enhancement, which come in both the wide and the narrow spectrum, depending upon a narrow corpora or maybe the needed in somebody who has a fibrosed corpora due to Peyronie's or due to failed penile or infected penile implant surgery earlier. So the difference between a two-piece and a three-piece is basically this reservoir. So this reservoir is basically a 100 ml capacity bulb which contains sterile water or contrast solution as required. I use sterile water in my patients, which is placed into the pre-peritoneal space or in any ectopic location depending upon the patient anatomy. So this contains fluid which on pumping is transferred into the two cylinders, which cause these cylinders, which are normally, as you can see, which are normally in flaccid state, to engorge and gives you a good erection. So if you use the LGX, so that apart from enhancing the girth, they also enhance in length. So it gives you a good erection to engage in a successful intercourse, and most patients, as reported in world literature as well as in the series of my esteemed colleagues, give a very good result in the long term with high patient satisfaction scores. So I will discuss both of these implants more in detail in my coming videos. So stay tuned and do not forget to catch other videos on penile implants. And if you do like this video, I would like you to like this video, share it with any of your friends who may be going through the same process, or at least subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated about the next video as and when it comes out. Thank you.